What is up, people of YouTube? This is Ryan Henry with TrendLizard.com. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I want to get back to what's important, and that's putting out some videos showing you exactly the best buying opportunities based on their Elliott Wave patterns. So I'm out there looking at the hottest stocks out there, the things that are making the most headlines, and focusing in on the ones that look like they're in a position to take off to the upside. So today we're going to take a look at Bank of America. Its ticker is BAC. Looks like a stud. Looks like it has a way to go to the upside, and that therefore makes it a good buying opportunity. So recently I did a video called "Is the Bull Market Over?" The short of that video was no, we don't think it is. We think the entire 2018 pullback was one big counter trend move, meaning it was not the start of a new downtrend, meaning that we expected the overall uptrend to continue. And that's played out beautifully. December 26th, the market put in a low. Since then, everything has been going up, and not only that, it's been going up in a trendy, impulsive fashion, and that's what we look for with Elliott Wave. We're looking for trendy 5-wave moves to the upside, and if we get that, we know that we have a good buying opportunity. So I think this will be a good buying opportunity for you. We'll dive into the charts, show you everything that's going on with Bank of America and why it looks like it is a stud getting ready to explode even further. If you haven't subscribed to this video channel yet, please do so. Click the button, click the little bell to get notifications every time I add a new video. I'm going to continue giving you the best buying opportunities out there, but I'm also going to give you education, telling you how to be a better trader, not only if you're just getting started, but also if you're deep into the game and just bottom line dominating this game and making money so you can be where you want to be. So without further ado, please subscribe. Let's dive into the charts and take a look at what's going on Bank of America. Here we go. All right, folks, so here we are looking at Bank of America. This chart goes back to mid-2015. What we're interested in is what's happened off the 2016 low. So look, all we're doing is looking at super basic Elliott Wave ideas. Those ideas are trends play out in 5 waves and counter trend moves play out in 3 waves. Nothing fancy about it. If you look at this advance off the 2016 low, you see a very obvious 5-wave advance. There's the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave. If you look at every one of these advancing waves, every single one of them took a 5-wave move itself. This is exactly what we're looking for to establish the direction of the dominant trend if it wasn't obvious enough when it moved from 11 up to 33 over the course of about 2 years. Now, that could have marked the end of some substantial uptrend and reversed back into a downtrend, but we have proof that it did not. Instead, what we're seeing in 2018 is one big counter trend 3-wave move, super obvious, super choppy, super sideways. Relative to this move here that was strong and purposeful to the upside, this thing was a choppy mess. So we know when we're getting counter trend pullbacks following trendy up moves like we saw here, that can only mean that the trend is still up and that higher prices are coming in the future. Additionally, what we can see here is that this counter trend pullback found support in this yellow support area. What is this yellow support area? It's a Fibonacci retracement of this advance. And what does that mean? That means that this advance was retraced by somewhere between 38.2% and 61.8%. So it retraced maybe 40 some odd percent. Found support in this yellow support area. This is where Fibonacci mathematics tell us a low to this pullback should occur if it's a counter trend move. We think it is. It looks like a 3-wave move. It's found support here. It's kicking off to the upside again, and it's looking super bullish, looking like this counter trend pullback has ended and a much more substantial advance, something similar to what we saw in 16 and 17, has begun. So let's zoom in and take a look at this advance in 2019 and see what we're looking at. Here it is. This also looks a little bit closer at that counter trend down move here. We can see there is nothing that can even be mistaken for any type of trendy price action. Everything that happened in here looks like 3-wave counter trend moves. We got something sharper towards the end of it. This is exactly what we expect when we're trading or when we see counter trend moves. We expect to see an ending pattern. That's exactly what we got. It spiked down to a new low. That's perfect. And then what we're seeing here is the start of what looks to be a trendy 5-wave move. It's already retraced a large portion of this down move. So this is all bullish stuff. Bank of America is looking good. Now, what we think is going to happen from here, once this little 5th wave advance completes, we are going to get a larger pullback of some variety. That move is going to find a low, find a low somewhere above the level 2530 and then turn higher once again. That is going to be your buying opportunity. You want to wait for a counter trend pullback to emerge, something that lasts more than just a day or two, probably at least a couple weeks, and moves a little bit lower, definitely moves below 2850. Once you see that, you know there's a larger counter trend pullback that's playing out, and then you start looking for the resumption of strength from there. Once you get it, this is one that you want to buy. Bank of America looks awesome. So you want to own Bank of America once you see a near-term pullback play out, as long as that near-term pullback stays above 2530. That is a good buying opportunity based on super objective Elliott Wave analysis, and I hope that's helpful to you. I will continue to put out new videos taking a look at the strongest guys that are out there, but I think Bank of America should certainly be on your watch list because it can move quick when it gets going, and it has the potential to embark on a much larger advance. So come visit us at TrendLizard.com. Have a great day. We'll talk to you again soon.